We are pleased to introduce to you the Husqvarna 541 EA Earth Auger. It will be supplied in this box. Please note the product number and serial number and provide this should you require spares or service information from your local service agent. This is what you'll receive in the box: a 541 EA drive unit, an operator manual which must be read before using the machine, fuel mixing bottle, tool kit and safety lever. There are interchangeable blades from 80mm to 250mm available as accessories. It features a 41.5cc engine that shares common spare parts. Additional benefits include a 950ml fuel tank, ergonomic handle, safety stop system to prevent injury, centrifugal clutch, fully sealed transmission with a 30:1 ratio, anti-vibration, and a very robust design. There is also an option of either a 600mm or 1000mm extension rod available as an accessory to allow for increased depth.